nga penyang snyoba yapi paitba Jongksha Mawkynrew constituency. Kaneka de kasngi kabakmen tamyan nga banyo banya don lang batpi batban pinbana ya uba kansing linsyang kumu candidate Jongksha party NPP naka arpau kendai Mawkynrew constituency. Kumtan nga kirpad yapi bapin snyoba banai yaka jingkirshan bapura batban pinjob don burom yau hakne ka election jong usnem ar pau lai nga kitbok yapi baro bapin nang yayo yakamet kaba shet ba kren. Today, with the entry of Bakan Singh to the National People's Party, I'm sure that this will be a great boost and a great blessing for the people of Mawkynrew constituency and the state as a whole. Not too long back, Bakan Singh had met Deputy Chief Minister in regards to the issue that is being faced by the farmers in terms of subsidy for fertilizers. And though the government and the world as a whole is moving towards ensuring that we become an organic state, it is not easy for the farmers to switch their way of working and their way of farming in a matter of days or years. We need to understand the challenges that the farmers face and slowly and steadily go for just transition, where we give a time period so that the farmers can slowly start adjusting and adapting rather than quickly simply stopping the different kind of subsidies. And hence the Meghalaya government has decided, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has given assurance, and I have given the assurance, that we will continue the subsidy for the benefit of our farmers, and slowly and steadily we will ensure that support is given to the farmers so that they can slowly shift in a proper manner and a sustained manner towards organic farming. And hence the subsidies that were supposed to be given, I am happy to inform you that very soon the files and the different sanctions will be processed, and we will be able to distribute the subsidy for the fertilizers also very soon. At the same time, the road construction that was mentioned by our candidate has also been assured by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and I want to assure you also that we will be taking up the road that has been mentioned by him. I also would like to assure you that the new program of this government, which is the Focus and the Focus Plus program, through which we are giving 5,000 rupees per beneficiary to individual accounts and 5,000 to the group account. I want to assure you that we will be implementing this scheme in this area also, and I have asked our leaders to ensure that all the lists that need to be collected are collected, and these are then processed through the proper channel and system, and different officers have been given instructions to ensure that all the different processes that need to be followed are followed, so that we can continue this particular program and implement this program in Mawkynrew constituency also. There have been many talks, and many people are spreading the word that this particular scheme is a loan. Let me assure you and let me give you full guarantee that this is not a loan. You will not have to repay this money back. We are distributing this to help and to support our farmers. and hence the question of taking back this money does not arise. And in the future, God willing that our government continues, our target is to continue this particular scheme every year so that our farmers can get the benefit of Focus and Focus Plus every year in the days and the years to come. This 2023 election is going to be one of the most important elections for the state of Meghalaya. In 2023, I am very confident that the National People's Party will get absolute majority in the elections in 2023, and we will be able to form a government that is going to work with a vision and continue the work that we have started and take the state forward in every sector that is possible, and we will work towards resolving all the pending issues that the state has faced for the last 50 years. We have started our change. We have started to process many areas, but a lot of work is left to be done. But I'm sure that with the kind of support that people are giving us today, with the kind of support that we're getting from the people, with the kind of the way that leaders are joining the National People's Party, I am very confident that we will come victorious in the 2023 election results. So friends, once again, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to the family of the National People's Party. I'd like to once again welcome our candidate, Bab Kansing Linxiang and his entire family, and all the party leaders who are here today who have joined the National People's Party.